Welcome! Today I am with Sportage and I will show you how we can set up your radio stations. So I just make the hard reset of this Android Auto, and as you can hear right now, everything was set up to the default, even the radio stations. So if you want to make it back, you have to simply tap right here on this icon, then go for the scan. It will happen automatically, and when you go for the list, you can find out that all available stations were just linked. Of course, I'm not going to turn on the sound. Just take a look, because you know that we get the restriction that we cannot play this kind of the music in our videos. But if you want to change the radio, you have to go for the list and then just pick that one that it's your favorite. So as you can see, it's very simple. Here you can find also the station and the program type. So yeah, you have to decide what you want to get, how you want to display that list, and that's it. It was pretty simple, right? If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.